Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. My best regards to you and your families. So if you have seen my videos and you know me like really well, you'll come to know that I am a nude lipstick person, and I think nowadays almost all girls and boys out there who are into makeup, you understand how important it is to have a good nude in your bag. You can touch up anywhere, and you know a nude lipstick goes really well with your casual outfits, your work outfits, your really formal party wear outfits as well. So today I'm gonna tell you my top current favorite 5 lipsticks, and they all are just beautiful. I really like them. I use them a lot. So if you want to know what are my top 5 nude lipsticks of this current moment, then please continue watching. Let's begin with the lipstick which I am already wearing on my lips, and it's none and only the one from Kiko Milano. So this is the lipstick I'm talking about. Look at how beautiful this lipstick is. It's from Kiko Milano and it is their fusion lipstick, and it's in the shade 434 Smut. This is a really nice and compact lipstick that you can put it in your bag and you can take it anywhere. It has this really nice cap. It closes properly. It's not gonna stain your bag whatsoever, and it's a really nice warm brown color. It's not completely matte. It has this really nice sheen to it. It doesn't look like extremely shiny on your lips, but my god, this texture, it's just too comfortable. I wear it a lot, and trust me, I get a lot many questions from the people around whom I am whenever I'm wearing this lipstick, because this is so amazing and it's really affordable. I got this lipstick from Namshi and I got it for around 40 dirhams or something, and for 40 dirhams this is a great steal. It's a beautiful lipstick. It goes really well with good smoky eye and whatever you are wearing, dude, a full black or a full white, it's gonna look amazing. But even on other colors, I think this is gonna look so nice. First of all, I love the formula, I love the color, it's beautiful. So the second shade which I am wearing on my lips is from the brand Smashbox. It's their always on liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. Believe me when I'm saying this, because I will be like completely honest with you guys. Honestly, by far now, Smashbox is my absolute favorite company, to have the best liquid lipstick formula. I'm not just even talking about this color. This color is a bomb. It's a really nice peachy nude color that looks so pretty, for daily wear. It's just too good. Secondly, oh my god, the formula, it is not at all dry. And when I say this, I am like completely honest with you guys. It's like no matter for how many long hours I've been already wearing this, but it's just too comfortable on my lips. It doesn't show your patches of the lips. There is no dryness whatsoever. The color is just so flattering, and my goodness, the staying power of this lipstick is just majestic. Whenever I'll be like, I have so many hours to be outside my house, and I will not get the time to touch up again and again, I always try to wear this lipstick, because I know it's not gonna come off super easily. No matter, even if I'm drinking or having some food, it doesn't come off that easily. Okay, it stays for a good 9 to 10 hours. It's a beautiful lipstick. Even if it starts vanishing, leaves behind a beautiful stain on your lips. And oh my god, I've been having this for a good 1 year now, and this is the small tube, and it's almost over. But this time I'm gonna get my hands on the full size version of this lipstick. It's a bit pricey, I know, but once you get your hands on it, you're never gonna go back. It's a beautiful peachy nude. My third favorite nude lipstick, which I have been wearing a lot many times since I got it, is the one which I have already shown in my video and given a complete review of this lipstick. This is the Zime lipstick, and it is the Gold Bars Moist lipstick. It's in the shade 07. So there's a full review of this lipstick available on my channel. I'm definitely gonna leave a link in the description bar below. You can go and see it for yourself. The formula is discussed there, the color and what skin tones it's gonna suit, everything is mentioned there. But to repeat, this is one of my absolute favorites. First of all, love the packaging. It's so elegant. It looks really bougie, but it's like a really affordable, like barely 10 dirhams I had to pay for this to get it from Zimi. And it's a beautiful brown shade that's gonna suit all skin tones whatsoever. You know, a lot of my friends have already taken it from me and used it since I have bought it, and it actually flatters and suits all skin tones. This lipstick, my god, just grab it because it's like super affordable. Okay, 10 dirham ka lipstick hai, that's it, and you're gonna love this. The formula is just good, and I really wanted to go back to that video which is, you know, given in the description bar. The link is there. Just go back and see the entire review about this lipstick, and if you like it, go and buy it. It's a great steal. Next up we have the fourth shade, which is like my LLB shade, which is like my lips but better kind of a shade. This is a completely matte lipstick and extremely comfortable, and this lipstick about which I'm gonna tell you is beautiful. So this is the lipstick I was talking about. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Seduction. As I was saying, this is my LLB shade. This is one of the lipsticks which I have been wearing like the most. Okay, out of all the lipsticks which comes really handy to me all the freaking time, it's this one. This is a really nice color. It's like on the warmer side, you understand. It's very similar to the Kiko Milano lipstick which I've already shown, but that lipstick is like really a little bit shiny, and you know, it doesn't have that long staying power. But this lipstick, it's completely matte, a comfortable matte. Obviously I've told you that the Smashbox one, the matte liquid lipstick, is like the most comfortable formula I've ever seen. But you know, keeping it aside, if you want something on, you know, on the affordable side, the drugstore one, you can definitely go for the NYX Lip Lingerie. You can go and check the NYX Lip Lingerie range. They have a lot many shades. This is like one of my most favorites when it comes to the entire range. It is a beautiful shade. I also like their truffle trim or ruffle trim, something like that, that kind of a shade. It's really nice, light peachy kind of a nude, and I'm definitely not gonna buy that super soon. But as of now, this Seduction lipstick, mashallah, it's a beautiful lipstick. I've been carrying this throughout. It's always in my bag, and a beautiful lipstick for sure. So last but not the least, this is the lipstick, you know, which almost all the girls and boys out there who are into makeup will know about. So this lipstick is none other than the MAC Mehr. So here comes the star of the show, a lipstick which is evergreen. It's loved by all. So this one lipstick has got so many praises, so much love, and you know, so much support from all the people, so much hype, and for all the good reasons. It's actually one of the most beautiful pinky nudes. I don't wear pink lipsticks that often, but whenever I am, I'm always attracted towards MAC Mehr. I've seen literally all skin tones flaunting this lipstick like nobody's business. Especially when you're having that no makeup look day, you can definitely wear this lipstick and it's gonna brighten up your face so nicely in a gist. It's a nice pinky nude color, plus it's MAC. Okay, मुझे कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. MAC has this beautiful fragrance, beautiful texture. The staying power is amazing, and you know, the feel of this lipstick on your lips, it's bomb. So this is one of the lipsticks which I highly recommend to all my friends. You know, they literally, and whosoever has bought that, they've literally loved that lipstick, and it's a beautiful, I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. So yes, you guys, with that we're done with the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, so you get notified every single time I post a video. Till my next video, stay tuned, stay positive, take care, bye bye.